Brazilian waxing. Do it yourself at home, or book the professional experience. One promises savings, the other promises comfort. I tested both methods, and the results may surprise you. If you're weighing cost, convenience, and confidence, this breakdown will help you decide what truly works best. I've relied on professional waxing for years. The results? Usually smooth and efficient, but not without awkward moments. Recently, with salon costs rising, in some cities up more than 15% over the past year, I asked myself, could a DIY kit really be an alternative? My goal was to save money, reduce appointments, and see if at-home waxing could realistically deliver professional-level results. The kit looked promising: neatly packed wax, applicators, and strips. But the instructions? Not exactly user-friendly. The process was messy, the wax cooled too quickly, and the pain level was higher than expected. The outcome? Redness, minor bumps, and slower recovery compared to my salon visits. While not a complete failure, it highlighted the challenges of learning technique without professional training. Let's compare. A $30 DIY kit looks appealing, but the supplies run out fast. A salon visit averages $60 to $80. Over a year, professional services can add up, but they save time. Professionals usually finish in under 30 minutes. At home, expect longer sessions, plus trial and error. Professionals bring trained technique, hygienic tools, and consistent results. D comes with more uncertainty. Beyond cost and time, there are hidden factors. D often comes with stress, frustration, and an increased risk of skin irritation. Professionals provide more than just waxing. Many offer skin analysis, personalized aftercare tips, and even a few moments of relaxation. The confidence boost after a flawless session is worth more than the appointment fee for many clients. So what's my conclusion? De-waxing can work for those who are patient, careful, and willing to practice. But for consistent results, reduced risk, and a stress-free experience, professional waxing remains the better option for most people. Choose based on your comfort, budget, and lifestyle. Have you tried a DIY kit, or do you stick with salon treatments? Share your experience in the comments, and let me know which self-care topics you'd like me to explore next.